Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Airbnb application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the login button that appears at the bottom right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials or by using your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the Explore page, if you wish to delete your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, from your profile page, underneath Settings, tap on Login and Security. And now if you scroll all the way down, you will see the Deactivate Account button. Go ahead and tap on Deactivate, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to deactivate your account. You may also be asked to provide a reason, within which just provide whichever one is suitable for you and tap on the Continue button. Once you provide the reasons and also confirm your identity by providing your password or the verification code sent to your email, you will be logged out from your Airbnb account and your account will be scheduled for deactivation. After this step, your account is already deactivated, but if you try to log back in, the deletion process might be stopped. And if you don't log back in for another 3 weeks, then your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Airbnb. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.